welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my recent purchase in Louis Vuitton.
Something's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
This is the item. I actually bought this last week, but I haven't got the time to unbox it. And today I'm going to do unboxing and also tells you how to use this item as a crossbody. Okay, so nice with the ribbon and with the card. This is the item, guys. So this is the new Kirigami by the Pool collection. Look at that beauty, look at the color, it's so pretty. If you've seen my video before, I did a review on the regular monogram Kirigami, and today I'm doing a review on this by the Pool Kirigami. It looks so pretty. I like pink, so I think this is very cute. For the size, it's exactly the same as the monogram. It's just different color. This is the second one. And the third one. How cute is that? I've got the one that is really good and centered here. I know some people are talking about how they have their button not really in the center, but I got really lucky when I came there. I can choose from some of the collection there, so I can choose the one that is most centered than the rest. Okay, if you've seen my video before, I've got an insert for this Kirigami to make a crossbody, and today I'm going to do that too. Okay, let me show you the item. Okay, this is the LV Kirigami by the Pool insert that is sent to me by MD Shop. You can search the Instagram because she has newly and improved buckle here. I think she's starting to use the D-ring instead of instead of making the hole in the insert. Look, this is so cute. She even make it same color as the Kirigami. Okay, blue. Last one. Okay, let me show you how to put this. Okay, with the new collection, she only put the one hook in here, and there's none on the second and the third because usually we don't really use the medium and the small pouch for crossbody anyway. So I think this time she just used the D-ring on this one. This is how the insert looks like. So she has a big slip pocket and also some little slip pocket on the other side. This is so cute, guys. Okay, with the D-ring can go out, so it will not damage your Kirigami like this. Okay. Second one is the blue one. I'm going to put the insert. Such a pretty color. And the last one. Ooh, little card. This is so cute. my Longchamp Chewier strap to put on the Kirigami to make it a crossbody. I know this is a bit big, the buckle is a bit big. You can use just a chain or the pearl strap, that is really cute. But at the moment, I'm just using the Longchamp Chewier strap. Ta-da! So this is how to make your Kirigami as a crossbody. Thank you, MB Show, for sending me this insert. So now I can use this as a crossbody.